Hey everybody, it's Kathy, and this is my packing video for Maui. Everything has to fit in to my carry-on. We're doing carry-on only. I did take a few things out of my capsule wardrobe that I figured I really don't need them, but then I added a few new things. I still feel like I took a few extra outfits, but it's good to have some options, I guess. So we're gonna see if all of this fits into my carry-on. And then I'm going to show you my liquids bag for getting on the plane, and also how I take my electronics. Okay, so we're going to see if all of this minus the cat fits into the carry-on. Clearly somebody does not want me to go. Are you going to get in my suitcase, buddy? I'm going to miss you. Yes, you're such a handsome young man. Mommy loves you so much. Okay, so I'm going to start. I'm going to put this packing cube. This has all of my clothes, my pajamas for the week. So I have my dresses, 2 pair of shorts, and I think 4 tops that I decided to take. And then this has my underwear, 2 pair of no-show socks, and an extra bra. And I always take an extra pair of these fuzzy socks because sometimes when I swim a lot, when I go somewhere warm, I get really cold in the evening and I can't sleep if my feet are cold. So I'll just shove them in here. And they're handy to have to walk around the hotel in case the hotel doesn't give you slippers. And then I'm going to start with my shoes. And I always like to put them at the bottom. So I'm taking a pair of dress sandals, pair of flip-flops, and then my Bionic flip-flops. And I'll wear my Bionic slip-on sneakers on the plane. So I'm taking this tote as my beach bag. And I hope I don't ruin it, but you know what? I'll redo this. I'll put this in first. Ouch. Then put my shoes in. I always just try and put the shoes near the bottom. I have my bathing suits. And these are my clothes that I'm going to wear on my way home. Actually, I'm going to sneak them in here. Close that in a bit. And then I have my snorkel mask. That's got to go in here too. It's going to be tight. I have this Ziploc bag with like my brushes. So now I'm going to put this thing down. I've used this carry-on anytime I've flown with Air Canada to Europe, the US, then Canada. No issues. It fits above. I suppose unless you're on like a really small regional plane. So now we gotta try and zip this up. Oh boy, I might have to sit on this. These packing bags do make the job a lot easier. I never understood why people use them, but now I can't travel without them. Okay, that looks like all I'm going to get in here. And we have a problem. Oh, what are we going to do? I'm not in the mood for this. I'm tired and I just want to sit down and relax, because I leave in less than 14 hours. Oh, what can I do with this? What's holding it up? Let me see. If I take out these 3 things, that seems a little better. Okay, but I still need to put them in here. So, this is a nightgown, so I'm just gonna shove it in here. And this, I want to okay, let's just see if this is gonna close now. Oh my god, what is holding this up? I bet you it's that snorkel mask. Crap. I wonder if that's any better. Are you gonna close now? I can get you to close, I think. Oh, man. You know what? I'm just going to take this out. This in. Nightgown. Are you gonna close on me now? I did it. It's closed. Yay. I'll show you my electronics bag. Okay, so this is a Coach tote bag I have had for probably 15 years. It travels everywhere with me. It's been to so many places around the world with me. Still in great shape. So I always have this at my feet when I'm flying. So I have my iPad, my charger, extra reading glasses, my phone charger, my camera, and then I have my Bose noise canceling headphones, and I have this little jewelry travel kit I bought from Amazon. I'm not taking much jewelry, just a few necklaces, and how come they did not stay in here? Ugh, it's so frustrating. Just shove it in there for now. Deal with it tomorrow. Packing is such a joy. And then in this part, I have this little bag smart thing I got on Amazon. It has all my SD cards, the charger for my iPad keyboard, extra SD cards, a battery for my headphones if I need to replace it. I have my iPad charger, I have my camera charger, and then you need this little adapter thing like to get pictures off of the camera onto the iPad so we can look at them. And then I have this little tripod that I'm bringing. I have 2 pair of sunglasses. One are prescription, one are non-prescription because of the days we go snorkeling I'll be wearing my contacts. And then this is going to have to fit in here somewhere because it won't go in my carry-on. My snorkel mask. And then I have my liquids, which I'm hoping is okay to go. Because when we went to Italy last year, they confiscated one of my sunscreens. I was really annoyed. So this is actually the TSA bag I got last year. So you follow their rule. 1 bag per person, no more than 3 ounces. And I forget what the other thing is. Isn't it 1? Oh, whatever. Hopefully it works. I'm not happy about having to take this in my carry-on. And then I take a scarf because I'm always cold when I fly. So we'll see if this is gonna do up. And it did. But I wanted to bring my hairdryer, but I guess I'm gonna have to leave it at home. This is one of my favorite travel bags. It has RFID technology. It's a crossbody. I usually just put like Kleenex and stuff on the outside pocket. And then in this zippered part, passport, some Kleenex, and then in case we need some masks, hopefully not. More Kleenex in the other outside part. In this inside zipper part, I just have some Advil. And then I bought this thing on Amazon. Just a little pill organizer. So I took some cranberry pills, some Advil, and some Tums in case we get an upset stomach. It just has a little magnet closure, so that's handy. Just keep that in my purse. And then I have my Centroid. And then in the main part, I have my reading glasses. Or no, those are sunglasses. Do I really need these? Oh, I'll take them just in case. And then there's this pouch that has the RFID technology. This wallet, I forget where I bought it. It's old. I only use it for traveling. I have my 2 credit cards, my driver's license. I have my COVID proof because they said we needed that. Some small bills for tipping. Larger bills here. So that is that. So hopefully I'm okay to get through security with everything tomorrow. I'm a little bummed that I have to leave my hairdryer at home because I usually like to use mine. Those hotel hairdryers aren't the greatest, and I am so hot. That was a workout. It's very hot here today. I had to put the air conditioning on, and my hair does not like humidity. So be sure to check out my Maui travel capsule wardrobe video. I'll link it here in a card. So thanks so much for watching, and in the meantime, go check out my travel capsule wardrobe, and I'll see you there. Bye.